Welcome back to the Backyard Homesteader. It's Vlogmas, and we're going to decorate the Greenstalk. What day is it? Let's see, day 4. I want to say we're on day 4. I think we are. All right, let's do this. Let's go ahead and we're going to, I've got a bunch of goodies from Dollar Tree. Let's see what we can do with this Greenstalk. We'll make it really quick and easy and fast. Promise. All right, here we go. Let me see. Oh, okay. So first up, I got these candlesticks that have little suction cups. I'm going to see if I can get them to stick on here. Let's see if this is going to work. So see, you got a little suction cup and then it just sticks on there like that. Oh, that's so cool. How do you get it to light? Does it light? I don't know. What does it say on here? LED candle with timer. 6 hours on, 18 hours off. Oh, we need batteries. Let's see. Imagine that. You read the directions and it tells you what you need. Okay, let's see. Let me look at this other one. 2 AA batteries. Okay, we've got 3 of these, so let me go get some AA batteries. I'll be right back. I'm back with batteries. Okay, let's see if I can figure this out. Okay, that's on the bottom. So I think they're gonna go this way. Let's see if it works. 1. Why is it? Oh, they're like, I drop things all the time, you guys. Getting beans on my shirt. All right, let's see if this works. Ritzy, come on. All right, let's see. Ritzy! Shh, come on. Oh, there it goes. Yay. It's like a candle. Ritzy, come on. We'll see if it'll stick to this. Let's do one here. Let's see. Is that gonna work? I don't think it's gonna work. Darn it. Well, we can just go like this. That's cool. That'll work. We'll do 3 of them. So we'll put 1 maybe here and 1 over there. That's what we'll do. Because I got all kinds of other stuff. We'll see if I can figure out how to hang like Christmas bulbs in here. I never took the beans out, and now is not the time to be planning. I wonder if I could like do glue the glue gun. I don't want to mess up my Greenstalk. Ritzy, come here. Oh, this flame on the top looks weird. Hopefully that doesn't mean that it's not gonna be good. Hey, little girl. No, it's okay. It's okay. What are you doing? Jump. Say jump. Say hi to the peoples. Jump. Come here. There she is. Can you see her? Ta-da! There's the Ritzy Roo. There's the Ritzy Roo. Oh, the baby. Oh. Yay. Oh, I'm pretty excited about this. So they're just on timers. That's so cool. So 1 here, right? I want you to be able to see it. It's so cool. I'm so excited. These are pretty cool. All right. Such a good girl you are. Yeah. You mama's baby? Yes, you are. Stay out of there. Okay. So tell me what your tradition is. When do you put up your tree? Do you do it after Thanksgiving? Like somebody on my thread, I think it was Annette, she said that after dessert clears the table, then they start decorating the tree, which I think is cool. What's your tradition? I don't like dealing with trees in the house. Just a lot of work. I mean, it smells good, but you could get a wreath and get the same smell, which I do love the smell of pine. I will admit that. That I miss. Okay, I dropped a battery. Where did I drop it? Let's see here. Did it go in this flower bed? I don't see you. Doggone it. Oh. Seriously, Priscilla. Bitch. She just goes on. Oh, there it is. I found it. Rissy, come here. Doggone dog. Isn't that cool? I love how they look like they're burning. That is so cool. Come here, baby. Come play with mama. We live on a busy street, so dogs walk by or people walk by, and so she's got to let them know that this is her yard. Don't come near me. Okay. Come on. I got it. Okay, cool. All right, so then we'll put this one right over here. How about that? Come on. You need to stay. There we go. Oh, no, we wanted it to go down, didn't we? Yeah. Here, here, here. There we go. Okay. Well. How's that? There we go. All right, we'll save the suction cups for something else. Okay, now how am I going to get these ornaments to stick on this Greenstalk? You know, I think I need to go get some paper clips. And I wonder, can you see if I were to put a pine cone in there? I wonder if you could see it. Or maybe I just set them in here. Let's see. What do they look like if I just set them in here? What the heck is that? Oh! This thing? Lights up? I have a feeling this one's broken. Let's see what we got going on here. Yeah, I think this one's broken. Okay, we'll set this one aside. Now, oh, there's the pin. Okay, so let me cut this off. Well, these could probably just lay in there. So we'll pull the little tab and then we'll turn it on. Oh my gosh, can you see that? Oh my gosh, that's so cool. So we'll put that like here. This is so fun. I didn't remember that these, oh, this one might not work. The little tab's out of it. We'll see. We'll see if it works. And what I'll do is I'll show you. Oh, it's working. Yay. Okay, so then we'll stick one there. We'll stick one here. You can kind of see it now. That is so cool. Let's see if we got another one. Yep. Yepper. These are really fun. I know y'all probably think I'm nuts, but I think it's cool. Okay, and we'll stick one. Let's see. Gotta turn it to on. Is that on? Yep, okay. Put one. Nope, not there. I can't see. Let's see. Maybe over here. That looks kind of silly. Oh my goodness. Okay, what else have we got here? Let's see. We have some really pretty ornaments. Look at that. But this would need to hang. So I need to figure out some sort of a clip to put on this Greenstalk. So give me a minute, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Paper clips. Paper clips to the rescue. All right. So let's see. They're the little ones. So I don't know. We'll see if it works. bend it down. Ah, that's pretty cool. So let's see. What do we want right there? How about a little puffy? A little puffy. That's in the way. Let's see. Stick you over here. How's that? That's pretty cute. Okay. Let's see. It's hard to see backwards, but let's see what I can come up with. All right, so stick one right here. We got our little travel trailer. Oh! See, I drop things all the time. All the time. Oh my goodness. You're dead. You're in my way. There we go. All right, and we have a star. So where are we gonna put the star? Maybe right there. It'll hang down though. Maybe not. You can barely see it. It looks good there. Okay, I'm gonna continue doing this, and as soon as it gets a little bit darker, you should be able to see what it looks like. I'll make sure I get video of it in the dark. So, what are you doing with your Greenstalk? Show me your pictures. I'm also gonna take some of this tulle and I'm gonna weave it in and around because you know I love pink. So, just watch. I'm gonna put you on a time lapse. That's what it is. Here we go.